Hi, it's Rich Jackson at Maptek, and today we're going to be looking at validating the drill holes prior to modelling in Vulcan GeologyCore. This week I'm coming to you from our Brisbane office, overlooking the lovely Brisbane River, and what a view it is. Today we'll be looking at some tools to easily provide confidence in your drilling data with useful visual tools, validation reports, and statistics. The first place to start with our drill hole validation is with a visual check. We can quickly colour our drill holes by any of our fields, and the legends will be matched automatically or created if they don't exist. We can save these visualizations to quickly recall them later. And remember, you've got the quick toggle options to turn on and off any of your labeling or display attributes. When we can visually see that the drill hole database looks correct, it's time to run some checks on the structure of the database. Checks such as our missing values or illogical depths out of order will be recorded and saved in both a CSV file for a record, but also into our report window, which is interactive. You can select any of these failed validation checks, quickly view that selection to zoom in on the problems in the hole, and that really helps you to interactively fix any of the issues that you find. When you've fixed any problems, you can run the validation again and check that your holes now pass. To get an idea of what's in your database, we have some quick charting options that can show you the interval counts broken down by any of your integer or numeric fields. Here I've got my geocodes showing me the range of lithologies in my database. And if there's a matching legend, it will be coloured automatically. Grade charts let you quickly check the distribution of grade throughout any of your domains. We can break these down by any of the integer or text fields in our database and display charts for any of our grades. If we have a lot of domains, it might help to change the order of the charts to show those with the greatest grade values. If any of your elements have a skewed population, it might help to display them with the x-axis as a logarithmic scale. And if your data is not yet domained, you can also display any of your grade values as a global population. Thickness charts work like the grade charts, but give you an insight into the thickness of each of your domains, and you can view these as the global population or broken down into any of your numeric or alpha categories. All of these charts are based on your data selection. You can use your filter option in your Data Explorer to select a subset of holes. And you can also select holes on screen, quickly updating the charts with the statistics from those holes. So with the drill hole validation and charting options, we can easily gain confidence into our data before we embark on our domain modelling. In our next workshop, we're going to prepare our domains for modelling, whether we need to combine multiple intervals, tables or databases, or apply rules to define the domains at a scale appropriate for our intended model. So make sure you tune in to the next Vulcan GeologyCore workshop.